Hello and welcome back. This is Walid. This is the last part of our Figma WordPress series. We have designed the home pages and about us pages in the first two videos. Today we are finishing the rest of the pages. If you missed the earlier parts, no problem. You can pause the video, check out our part 1 and part 2. Then come back here again. Alright, without further delay, let's get started. For this project, we are using Hostinger WordPress hosting. If you are looking for a reliable hosting in affordable price, then I would like to suggest you Hostinger WordPress hosting. I have an additional discount for you. Check in my description. Just click the link and grab the deal today. As you can see, I am now in my computer screen. Now we will design the services page. The services page will be like this. So in first a banner, then this section already we designed this type of section. If you see my old videos, and here is the option. When someone click on learn more, then just simply pop up this section, like this section. Okay, let's get started. So I am now in my website. So this is the service page. Simply click on edit with Elementor. Okay, now let's add a flexbox and add a container. So we need to add our text first. Text will be in I think 60% will be okay. Now we need to add a background. Let's add a background image. This one is our background image. Select. The background image position will be center, repeat, no repeat, display size, cover. Okay, now let's copy the text and paste here. Okay, perfect. Now we need to change the text color. Yeah, now looks good. Let's add a height. I think 300 will be okay. 300 is okay, and everything will be in center. Okay, and this text we need to change the text size. I think 28. Let's check the font size. If I click here, the font size is I think 28. Yeah, Ionic Pro 28. Yeah, now 20. Perfect. I think 350. Not good enough. Yeah, 400. I just remove the padding from this container. Okay, if I see on tablet, we can add it in 100% or 80. Then the minimum height will be 350. Sorry, not here. By clicking here, we need to add the height from here. You can add 3. Yeah, let's add a padding. I think 20. That's good enough. Yeah, 20 is good. We just need to add a yeah, now looks good. Let's change the font size on tablet. 24. In phone it will be 20. Okay, and the padding, we don't need to add padding. If I go back to our design, it's the same thing. Okay, sorry, it's the same thing. We can add a little space on at the top and bottom, so we can add 320. That's enough. Perfect. Let's publish it. Now we will copy this section. Already we designed on home page. Just simply copy this section. So by clicking copy, all section will be copy. Just simply paste it here. Okay, so all section is done. See, all section is done. Now if someone click on here, so we need to add a buttons. Okay, let's add a buttons here, and buttons will be learn more, and icons arrow, this one, icon position right. We don't need background, so just remove the background, and the button text color is black, button padding 0, border type none. Now perfect. Okay, when someone click on here, just open a pop-up. So I'm using a Elementor Pro, that's why I can able to add a pop-up, and I can get this all option. So simply click here, and here is the pop-up option. Okay, now just publish it. I copy this and paste here, and paste here, and paste here, sorry. Now let's preview the page. Okay, so everything is fine. Let's see. When I click, the details is coming here this way. So everything is fine. Now we just need to add a call to action buttons like this sections, sorry, this section. So same way we just copy this section, because we already designed this section on home page. Simply copy and paste, and we can add a spacing at the bottom of this section. It's by clicking here, just click on add buttons, then let's add a bottom 5. Yeah, now looks great. This greater task, it will be go on to contact us page, this page, publish. So our services page is done. Now we will design the project page. So here is our project page. So it's the same banner. You can copy the service page banner, click on edit with Elementor, simply click here and copy this section. Because it's the same section, we need to add on projects. That's why I'm not doing to design again. Okay, then we just need copy this text, copy and paste here. Perfect. And we need to change the background by clicking here. Here is the style, and here is the background image option. We can change the background image option. Let's see, where is the background image? I think select. So this section is done. Now we will design this section. We need to add container, then we will add 2 container, like 2 row. In first row we will add 1 title, and second row we will add, sorry, just duplicate it. In second row we will add these two sections. Okay. Now simply copy this and paste here. Okay, now copy this text and paste here. Perfect. Now we can add another container. This container we will add 50% and 50% by 2 column. Duplicate. This section direction will be right. Okay, in home page we designed the similar design, like this design. So I will copy this section and paste it here. Okay, now we need to add spacing, more spacing. So let's add more spacing, 250, not 250 actually. We need to add, I think we have to add a padding of this section. Just simply here, click on here, then just add a padding, not 20, 50. Yeah, 50 is good. Here should be 160. Yeah, 160 looks good. Let's design the background image. By clicking here, we can change the background image now. So our background image will be this one. Select. Let's do the same thing in rest of 4. So 4 section is done. Now let's check in tablet. In tablet we have to just reduce the padding. I think 30. Yeah, 30 is good. Let's add 30. It's the same thing on the other two, and 30. And also we can reduce this spacing. I think 120. Yeah, 120. I think 80 will be good. Sorry, 80. Yeah, 80 will be good. Copy, duplicate. Yeah, it looks good now. Now let's check on phone. It looks a little bit odd. We can reduce little more spacing on mobile. I think 20. Yeah, 20 is good. Copy and paste style. Paste style. Paste style. Now everything looks good. This section is done. Publish. After this section we have to add a buttons, because there have the option to show more buttons. So let's add a buttons. Yeah, duplicate this section. Then we will remove the rest of things. Okay, now perfect. Now we just need to add a buttons. So if I go to home, then we design the similar buttons. So copy the dot buttons and simply paste it here. Okay, by clicking here the button will be in middle text. Okay, now perfect. Let's add a padding at the top of this container. Yeah, it looks good. We can add a padding of this section, top and bottoms. Percentage 6 and 6. Also we have to add a background, because our website background is this one. This color is our background color. Okay, perfect. Now we have to add this background image, like this call to action. So simply go back to service page or home page. Then we just need to copy this section. Copy and paste it here. Perfect. Now publish. So project page is done. Now when someone click on key details, then it will be a pop-up. Then it will look like this one. See, there is the pop-up option. Now we will design the pop-up like this one. Okay, let's back to our dashboard. Then let's design the pop-up. We will design the pop-up on Elementor. So just hover the templates, and here is the new. Right click, add new tab. Now select the pop-up option, and here should be the pop-up name. Projects, the pop-up name, create. Now simply cross it, because we will design the pop-up customly. Flexbox, container. Let's add a container, and we can resize this pop-up width. So here is the width option, I think 60. So we need 2 section. like two columns, left side image and right side is the text. Just add another container. This container should be 40 pixel, I think 45, duplicate, and this one is 55. Direction will be right. Perfect. Now let's add an image. Resolution is full. Then just need to import the image. This one. Okay, perfect. Now let's add an image in now let's add a heading at the right. Copy the text and paste here. We need archive of fonts, and the font width will be 32, and here is the semi bold. Now it looks perfect. Now let's add the content. By clicking here, we will add the content. Okay, here is the content. We just need to add a list as a content. Now select all and just we need to add a list. Now perfect. The font size will be 20 pixel. Yeah, it looks good. Now looks good. Okay, it's perfect. Now simply click here and we just need to add a left minus margin. Yeah, now perfect. Now simply publish it. We don't need to select any condition, just simply next, and save close. So everything is fine. The pop-up is done. If you click on tablet, it's working fine. Just simply we just need to resize the font, and here we can add, I think 16. Yeah, looks perfect. Also, if you want to add or reduce the width, then simply reduce like this way. In mobile, it looks perfect. Just simply remove the padding. Perfect. And padding, we don't need padding. Okay, let's add a padding, I think 30. Then we just need to add a border radius 10. Let's see. We need to add a border radius. So click here, and here is the option, and here is the border radius option 10. It's perfect. Now by clicking setting, pop-up setting, you can select the animation option. So when someone click on button, then how it will look like, how it will come. Okay, so I'm now adding, when someone click, it will be fade in up, and it will be animation duration is 1.3. You can resize, no problem, and exit, fade out. That's it. Now publish it again, save and close. Perfect. So our pop-up is done. Now if we reload the project page, by clicking key details, simply click here, and here is the scroll down, here is the pop-up option. So just need to select GV. Perfect. Now publish this page. Let's see the project page. Now if we click on here, see the pop-up is coming. So everything is fine. I will do the same thing on the other two projects. Same thing, it's perfect. So now we will design the contact us page, because project page, service page, about us page all done. Now we just need to design the about us contact us page. So contact us page, if I see, here is the contact us page. So we just need to design it. Let's design the contact us page now. So this is our contact us page. Okay, simply click on edit with Elementor. In header, we need to add a banner, same as services page or project page. just simply click this section, copy and paste here. Now we just need to change the text, copy and paste here. Now we will design this contact form. Let's add a flex box container. Let's add another container. In left side should be an contact form. So left side 70 and right side 30. Let's add a form. I'm using Elementor Pro, that's why I'm using Elementor Pro Form Builder. Okay, so we don't need the form label. Okay, first we need to add a name, and form column will be 33%. First should be name, then should be email. By clicking here should be email is required, then phone number, here should be phone number, optional phone number. At the end here should be the messages. Okay, now in buttons we can add a icons. Simply click on here should be arrow. So the buttons is buttons up, this one. Perfect. The button position right side. Okay, we don't need full width buttons, so the button will be in left side. Okay, the button background will be black, like this color. Okay, so let's add the message option. We need to add little more row, like 5. Let's add 6. It looks good. We don't need border, we just add a background in this field. Okay, so here is the field option. The border will be 0 and background will be this color, not this, actually this color. It's perfect. So our form is done. Now we will just add a text here, copy the heading and simply contact us space, contact us. We can add 60, 40. Now looks good. The font size will be 48. Yeah, 48 will be good. Now we need to add a icon box. Here is the icon box. Okay, let's add phone. Yeah, phone is perfect. It should be phone. Copy the phone number, till plus. So I'm adding the link here this way, because when someone click, this phone number is clickable now. Okay, let's design it. Left side. Okay, perfect. Now icon size, we can add 30. I think we can add 25. And color, this color is okay. Now let's add a title. Title color is black and title will be 25. Yeah, it's perfect. Then description, let's add a plug. Okay, we need to reduce the spacing, so content spacing, I think not here actually. I think now looks good. We need to reduce the font size. Yeah, now perfect. I think this is the better of this, so let's add this way because it looks better than the Figma design. That's why I added this one. Okay, in hover it should be this color and this color. Okay, copy and paste style. Icons here should be white. It will update, no problem. Let's check on phone. Yeah, everything looks good, so alignment should be left. Now let's publish it. Okay, we need to add another section, and here should be an maps. Let's add a container, and here should be a maps. This one is perfect. Okay, 400, I think 350. Yeah, it's good. Let's check on phone. We can add 250. Now perfect. So it's working perfect. Just need to add a padding bottom. Let's add a padding bottom in 8 on phone and 5 on laptop. Publish it. Preview the website. Now this is our contact us page. Everything is fine, and see, here's the contact us page. Our contact us page is done now. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Comment below if you have any questions or need any further assistance. One more thing, if you want this template, check out my description. I will attach the template links. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.